Hello, friends. Good evening to all of you. This is your host Sunil Kakani with view on Nifty and Bank Nifty magic levels for tomorrow, that is Monday, 4th January 2021. Now, let us quickly see where Nifty has closed. The closing for Nifty is at around 14,018, which was 36 points above its previous close. Now, what could be the levels for Monday? Now, before I give levels for Monday, as I always mention, that we are now at a level of 14,000 plus, and we have to trade very, very cautiously at this level. All the trade calls or the trade that we take has to be taken after proper and thorough study, because Nifty has been moving in one direction and has been forming small dojis at the daily candlestick chart. If you see the Nifty daily candlestick chart for last 4 days, we have made small dojis and Nifty has been completely in range bound but with a positive bias. So now what we expect for Monday, as I always mention, that there are chances that Nifty can fall at any point of time for any news on any excuses. So we have to trade very cautiously at this point in time. Now, before I give the levels, again, I would like to mention one point, that there could be a correction, and the correction would be only for around 200 to 300 points, or maybe at the max 500 points, maybe 13,500 could be retested. But overall trend still remains bullish, and Nifty is completely poised to test the level of 15,000 in couple of months to come. This is what my bold call is there today on 3rd of January 2021. And I'm very sure that this could happen in 2 months or max 3 months time. We will be at a new peak. We'll definitely cross 14,500 and somewhere go and reach near 15,000. This is my call today that I am giving to everybody. Now, let us quickly see for the short term, that is tomorrow, what could be the levels. So, as I mentioned, the closing for Nifty is at around 14,018. Now, if Nifty trades above 14,022 and sustains above this level for 10 to 15 minutes, then we initiate a buy call for a target of 14,050 and the second target of 14,070. Similarly, if Nifty trades below 14,013 and sustains below this level for 10 to 15 minutes, then the target for Nifty would be 13,985. That will be the first target. We initiate a sell call if Nifty trades below 14,013. The first target in that case would be 13,987 and 13,965 is the second target. So this is the magic levels for Nifty. Now let us quickly see what are the magic levels for Bank Nifty. Now, as I mentioned for Nifty, for Bank Nifty, the case is similar. However, in case of Nifty, we have surpassed our highs, but in case of Bank Nifty, we are yet to surpass our high. And I am very confident that in a month's time, or maybe 2 months, somewhere in mid of February after budget, we may surpass, Bank Nifty would surpass its high. And there are many banks which has great potential. Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank. Their technical charts suggest that there is still upside left in those banks, those scripts. So one can accumulate those scripts at any fall that we may see in the coming near term. So the closing for Bank Nifty is at around 13,225, which was 38 points below its previous close. Now, where do we initiate a buy trade? If Bank Nifty trades about 31,240 and sustains above this level for 10 to 15 minutes, we initiate a buy trade for a target of 31,330 and the second target of 31,400. Similarly, if Bank Nifty trades below 31,210, then we initiate a sell trade for a target of 31,120 and 31,040. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. Now, as you have seen, I always mention that trading is nothing but buying near support and selling near resistances. And these levels do work very nicely in trade. So please note this level and trade safely, trade according to these levels, and you will never make loss. Now, let us, however, before you trade, you do your own technical study, own due diligence before you take any trade, because I don't know what is your wallet size, what amount of investment you take, what is your risk appetite. I don't know anything about that. So please trade accordingly. Now, on a Friday, on Thursday, we have given a call on Lupin. We have initiated a buy trade on Lupin for a at a level of 977. And see, Lupin made a high of 1009 on Friday. This call was initiated on Thursday, and Lupin made a high of 1009. That was almost 32 points from the level we initiated a buy trade. Now, if you take a lot size of Lupin, is it around 850 shares in a one lot of Lupin, and the profit turns out to around 25 to 27,000 accordingly. And I received many messages from you guys thanking me for this call. Now, similar to the call of Lupin, I have got one more pharma stock which I see has great potential in near term. Now, whether it will start running from tomorrow or maybe in a week's time or 10 days, I don't know that. But yes, the downside is very limited and there is a great potential in this share. And the name of the script is Sun Pharmaceuticals Limited. Now, the closing for Sun Pharmaceuticals Limited is 596 rupees. Now, there are few technical reasons why I have chosen this script for a buy side of trade. Now, firstly, pharmaceutical is a defensive sector. So if there is a correction, there is less likely that the defensive sector would also get into correction mode. In fact, in defensive sector, when there is a correction, there is a buying happening. But you never know. Market always trades as per its wish. So, however, apart from this particular reason, a few other technical indicators like ADX is showing trending on a positive side. Similarly, if you see MACD is also showing a positive trend. Now, if you see Sun Pharma's 52-week high is at around 599 and it has closed near its 52-week high. So once this 52-week high is surpassed, we may see much higher levels on this stock to come. And my minimum target on this particular script is around 10%. Also, one more clear indication which envisage me or which make me recommend this particular script is that Sun Pharmaceutical last month has given a great breakout, and Friday's closing is about the last month's closing. So Sun Pharmaceutical at the present level of 596 seems a great pick for near term with a target of 10%. You can say from this level, so you can choose your take your call to invest into this pick. With this, I end my video. Please do note that all the studies that I make, all the suggestions, all the recommendation I give on this video is only for educational purpose, and all my views and everything is completely based on technical analysis. Before you take any trade, any investments, please do take advice from your financial consultant before you invest into any script or you take any trade on Nifty or Banknifty or any index. So with this, I end my video. Thank you very much for watching this. Please do hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video to as many people as you can so that our family keep growing, keep increasing. Thank you very much. All the best. Happy trading.